Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to split page in half vertically in Word. To start, you can open a blank Word document. Here in the Insert menu, click on the Table option and select the first two boxes with the legend 2 by 1. Now you can see a new menu. Here it is possible to click on a table style to edit the table. Then in the Layout menu, click on Autofit and click on Fixed Column Width. When you do this, you can enter text into the document to check that two-column formatting is handled. In addition to this, you can add two columns in a document with text. In this case, you are going to go to the Layout menu, and when you click on Columns, select More Columns. Now choose 2, check the line between box and adjust the spacing. Click on OK. This format will automatically be applied. After this, click on Columns again and click on More Columns. In the pop-up window, uncheck the box, Line Between. When you click OK, you will see the new aspecto of Word file. Finally, click on Margins and you can choose from any of the options to configure the best appearance of the document. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.